Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be solving question number 17 from chapter 3. So this is the question. It says that write a program that takes a number as an input and print its multiplication table up to 10. Example given. Input is 5, output is 5 times 1 is equal to 5, 5 times 2 is equal to 10, up to 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Okay, so we need an input from the user. So as usual, I imported the scanner class and I made use of it here. And I also prompted the user to enter a number, and I stored that number in a variable called number of an integer type. Okay, so let's start with the program. I'm going to use the for loop to execute the program. So for so the first number is 1, so it's going to be 1 up to 10. So while I is less than or equal to 10, we increment I by 1. So I have to print the output to the user. So the first one is the number. So I'm going to print, okay, let me remove this one here. I'm going to print the number. So I'm going to say number. Copy and paste. So it's going to be number plus, there is a space between the number plus, I'm going to use this x as a multiplication plus 1. So from 1 up to 10, this is the variable that we used, I. It's going to be I plus so I have to bring the equal sign to plus. Now I have to bring this one 5. So 5 is the number multiplied by 1, and this column here, the 1 and 2 and the rest is the I. So it's going to be, let me put it into bracket. It's going to be number multiplying I. Okay, I think this is it. So first I see a red line where, let me see, what is the problem? Reached end of. Okay, so I'm done. Let me close the curly bracket. Okay, so I think this is the program. Let me run it and see if everything will work fine. Okay, enter a number. I'm going to use 5 as an example. Okay, enter a number 5. So it's 5 times 1 is equal to 5, 5 times 2 is equal to 10, and up to 5 times 10 is equal to 15. So that's it. So let me try another number. Let me use 10. The same thing. 10 times 1 is 10, 20, 30, up to 100. So the code is working fine. So here, this loop, this number I holds the values from 1 up to 10. Say I is less than or equal to 10, from 1 up to 10. And here, when you want to print this line, when you want to print, you print the number. So first it will take the first number the user entered. So it's going to be constant every line number. So if the user input 5, it's going to be 5, see this is a string, so it's going to remain the same throughout as well. And this is the I, so we are incrementing I by 1. So after each iteration, the value is going to change. So from 1 to go to the next one, 2. And this one also is constant, so it's going to be the number multiplying by the I. So if the I change here, it will also change here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.